Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine. Stay safe at home. Uh, in the last class, I have taken a surprise test of Chapter-1 number system, and maximum number of students has got good marks. That is 10 upon 10. And some of the students got 8, 7 like that. Maybe they did not understand the concept. No problem. Next time we will try to do better. Okay. So today's topic. What is it? Today's topic? Do you know? I am teaching, which I have been teaching chapter what? Polynomials. Chapter polynomials, you can see clearly here that I am writing remainder theorem. Okay, before that, we have to know some important things. Or first of all, I want to recall what we have learned in our previous classes. Already we have learned how to find out the zeros, and also we have learned that how to verify. If 2 or 3 values are given, we need to verify either it is a 0 or not of the given polynomial. In case of remainder, what is our today's topic is what? Remainder theorem. Remainder means what? That is simple. What you are thinking, that when you divide, suppose dividend is equal to divided into quotient plus remainder. That thing only. That is remainder and this remainder is same. Now, suppose you are going to divide 5 by 3, then you can see 3 ones are 3, then remainder is what? 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. That the same similar thing. Now we will see these things in the case of polynomial. Okay? Okay, then today we are going to learn about remainder theorem. Okay. Remainder theorem. So already I have explained when 5 is divided by 3, we will get remainder 2. So what is the connection that with that about this? I will explain after some time. See, let Px, all of you know what is Px? Polynomial of x, be any polynomial. You can take any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Degree greater than or equal to 1. And let a be any real number if Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a. This Px, if divided by x minus a, then the quotient is what? Qx. Quotient is what? Qx. Qx denoted what? Quotient. And remainder is Rx. Remainder in general denoted by Rx. Okay? See, here, as you know that dividend, dividend is equal to what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. This thing and this thing is same. See, Px. What is the divisor here? X minus a. So I have x minus a. Quotient is what? Qx, and remainder is Rs. So this one and this one is same. You got this relation already in your previous classes or not? So now, in the case of polynomial, you have to write this one. These are the same thing. Now, say example. What is remainder theorem? I will give you little explanation. See. For example, suppose you are having a polynomial x square plus twice x. X square plus twice x, and you have to divide it by x minus 1. You have to divide it by x minus 1. Understood what I am saying? So, how to divide? See, if you divide long division method, suppose x square plus twice x by x minus 1, so x square plus twice x and here x minus 1. Now, see how to divide. So, here you have to see the first term of this polynomial. What is this? X square, and here x. Now what should be, try to understand, okay, what should be multiply with x to get x square? If you see the rules of exponents or laws of exponents, that x, what is the power? 1, exponent is 1, that means, and here what? X square. That means if you multiply 1 more x to the power 1, then bases are, these bases are same, so 1 plus 1, that is x square. That means it is clear that in shortcut you can say with x, this is x to the power 1 means what? X. With x, if you multiply x, then you will get x square. Is it clear to you? Okay, next. So you can write x square. Now, listen, see, you have got this x square, the first term. Don't forget about this minus 1. Because this x minus 1 is the polynomial, yes or no? So this x is also multiplied with minus 1. So x is a plus, then minus, x1 is x. x1 is x, you have to write according to the like term. The like term of minus x is what? Here twice x, so you have to write here minus x. Understood? Then now if you subtract, now according to division, what you need to subtract or not? This one you have to subtract from this polynomial. So when you subtract, the plus become minus. This is a plus symbol, x square is plus, so it is become minus, and this minus become plus. Now question is what? Why these symbols are automatically changed? See, if you have got in class 8 subtraction, addition, division, multiplication of binomials, trinomials, yes or no? So you have got, it is in a horizontal type or vertical position. See, this one we are taking in vertical position. If you minus this one, suppose you are minus this one in horizontally, x square minus twice x minus what? X square minus x. The same thing I am doing in a horizontal position. Okay, that time this minus is what? Because you have to minus. Now see, if you take out the bracket, x square plus twice x, this minus plus, when you take out the bracket, then minus x square, and this minus plus x. Now see, this minus x square plus x. Now understood why these are, this is the main concept, why these are changing automatically. Okay, I hope all of you understood this one. Now see, x square minus x square will give you how much? 0. So you can cancel it. Now twice x minus x, what? Twice x minus x, what? Twice x. Now there is only one term, yes or no? Only one term. Now similar way you have to see, now with x what you will multiply to get thrice x? Yes, we have to multiply what? 3, because 3 into x, thrice x. But don't forget, it is matching means what? Stop now. You cannot stop here. You have to multiply this 3 is also with minus 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Similarly, this one become minus and this one become plus. Yes or no? Yes. So this 2 is cancelled because it will give you 0. So this is 3. Now what is the remainder here? What is the remainder here? 3. Okay. This is not remainder theorem. Okay. This is how to divide and how to get the remainder in case of polynomial. Now see, if you use remainder theorem, then you will get the remainder without division. See how? Here, same thing, x square plus twice x divide x minus 1. To x minus 1, how to find out the 0, you know? Maybe 1 is not a 0, but suppose that you have to take like that, x minus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x is 1. You have to find out the value of x from the divisor. Value of x you have to find out from the divisor. X is equal to 1. Now put 1 in the place of x. Means px, this one, p1, this one already all of you know, already you have done. X 1 square, so 2 into 1, 1 square is 1, 2 1s are 2, 1 plus 2, what? 3, and 3 is the remainder. Now see, this is here also you are getting remainder 3, and this is also, you never get different because similar thing. This one you are using, we are getting this 3 remainder by using remainder theorem, and this one you are getting by long division method. And this is called a remainder theorem. Means without division you will get the what? Remainder. Understood? What is remainder theorem? Like this. You have to find the value of x and you have to put this. Afterwards, what you will get? The result. The result will be the remainder. Now see, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that in the question in exam, suppose the question is like that, find the question and remainder. Okay, see, when you are using remainder theorem, you cannot see the question. Question is here. Question means understood, no? Question is not here. But in the exam, if question is like that, find the remainder and question, then you have to do long division, because only long division method you can see the question or you can get the question. Remainder theorem, maybe you will get the remainder, but if need to find out the question, you have to do long division method only. And in the exam, if question is like that, only remainder, then find the remainder, then you can use this one method, either this one or that one. Means either remainder theorem or long division method. Understood, no? And if question is like that, find the remainder by using remainder theorem, that time you have to do remainder theorem only. Or find the remainder by using long division method, then that time you have to use long division method only. Understood, no? What I say? Okay, is it clear to you? What is remainder theorem? Okay, next. Next, exercise 2.3. See, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, x minus half, x plus 5 and 5 number 5 plus 2x. This is the question from exercise 2.3. Okay, so now these are, you need to find out what? Remainder. So you can use both the method like remainder theorem, or also you can use long division method. Understood? So I am using here long division and remainder theorem, both the methods. See, here what I told, this x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, first of all you have to write as a dividend, then divisor is x plus 1. Now see, already I have given explanation how to divide. I repeat once again. See, you have to see x the first term here, and here first term is x cube. So with x, if you multiply what? X square, then you can see x square into x, what? X cube. Then again you are having, already I told you, you are having what? Plus 1. So you have to multiply x square with plus 1. So x square plus 1 is what? X square. And this x square you have to write according to the like term. Then 3x square you are getting like term, so x square. Okay? Now see, this is this symbol automatically says minus, and this plus become also minus, then x cube cancel. So 3x square, it is already minus, and why it is changed already I have explained. 3x square minus x square is what? 2x square. Then what is left? 3x, then plus 1. Okay, similar step, means same step. Now what is in the first term? 2x square, and what is here? X. Now you have to think that what should be multiply with x to get how much? 2x square. So here you have to multiply what? Twice x. Twice x into x, what? Twice x square. Then twice x is also multiplied with 1. See, all the steps are same. What you have done in the first step, first one, that is also same step. The second one also same steps. Okay. If you understand one of the problem like this long division method, then you can do all. Understood, no? So twice x into 1, twice x according to the like term. So this become minus, this also become minus, then this one cancel. 3x, then this minus, so 3x minus twice x, 1x. 1x means you can write x. So x plus 1. Now here also x plus 1, here also x plus 1. So obviously it will be multiplied by 1. 1 into x, x, and 1 into 1, 1. Because x plus 1, 1s are x plus 1. This become minus, this become minus. What of this cancel? 0. Then you can see the remainder is what? 0. Now try to use remainder theorem. Okay. Now px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Yes, this is the px. Now what is divisor? X plus 1. So need to find out the value of x, right? X plus 1 is equal to what? 0. Then x equal to what? Minus 1. X equal to minus 1, replace x by minus 1. So minus 1 cube, 3 into minus 1 is square. Understood? Then next 3 into x, so 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Now minus 1 cube means minus 1 3 times multiply. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it will give you minus 1. Minus 1 square is what? Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 into 3, 3. And plus minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1. So here plus 3 minus 3 will give you 0. So these two cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 also cancel. What is left? 0. See. Using remainder theorem also, what you are getting remainder? These are same. Both of these are same. So like this you can find out the remainder. But I repeat again, in case you need to find out the question, you have to do long division method only. Okay. Next, question number 1, 2. Same dividend, but divisor is different. X minus half. See, I am teaching you both the methods, means long division and remainder theorem. Okay, then you can clear. Okay, means you have to know both the methods. Now see, x square plus 7 by 2x plus 19 by, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now here you can see x minus half. Maybe you are thinking that this is fraction, it will means it is term. No, nothing is there, fraction or decimal, nothing is there. Means the process is same process you have to do. See, now what is here? X cube. So here what is here? X. Similar with the number 1. Then you have to multiply x square with x square into x, what? X cube. Then x square into half, minus half x square. So minus half x square is like term of what? 3x square. So I am writing here minus half x square. It become minus and become plus. Then these two cancel out. Then this minus become plus. So 3x square plus half x square. This simplification you can do separately. I have done here, see, 3x square plus half x square. Now 1 and 2 LCM is 2. So 1 2 times 2 3 is 6x square. 2 1 time 1 into x square, because x square is the numerator. It will multiply the numerator. So then 2 1 time 1 into x square, x square. Then 6 square plus x square, 7x square by 2. Now you have to write here 7x square by 2. Clear? Now see, here now next term is what? Means first term of this now is here 7x square by 2. So what should be multiplied with x to get 7x square by 2? See, you are having here how many x? X square. How many x means x square? And here x. So x, you have to multiply one more x, then x into x what? X square. Here you can see clearly 7 by 2 is not here. So you have to multiply 7 by 2. Means what? 7 by 2x into x, 7 by 2x square. Clear? So multiply by 7 by 2x into x, or 7 by 2x with x, it will give you 7 by 2x square. Then 7 by 2x into minus half. I have told you already, you have to do separately here. 7 by 2x into minus half, minus plus minus. Since it is multiply, no? So 7 into 1, 7x, 2 to the 4. So minus 7x by 4. Understood this one? Next, this minus become what? Plus. So 3x plus 7x by 4. This simplification also you can do separately. 3x plus 7x by 4. 1 and 4 LCM is 4. 1 4 is 4, 4 12 is 4 3 is 12x. Then 7x, then 12x plus 7x, 19x by 4. So 19x by 4. This one. Okay? Then what is left? Plus 1. Now similarly, now you have to see what should be multiplied with x to get 19x by 4. Because x already here, so 19 by 4 only. So 19 by 4 into x, 19 by 4x. So 19 by 4 is also multiplied with minus what? 19 by 4 into minus of what? Minus plus minus, 19 ones are 19, 4 twos are 8. Means minus 19 by 8. What is here? Minus. So it become plus. And this one minus, so this two cancel already. So this minus become plus. 1 plus 19 by 8. If you add these two here, 1 plus 19 by 8, you can see clearly 8 1 LCM 8, 8 plus 9, 27 by 8. Remainder is 27, because now here you can see the divisor is x minus half, and here what? 27 by 8. It will not divide by this again. So this is the remainder. Means remainder is what? 27 by 8. Now you can see by using remainder theorem. See, px x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Using remainder theorem, first of all you have to find out the value of what? X. X minus half is equal to 0. So x equal to what? Half. Then you have to write what? P half. In the place of x what? Half. So P half, x half cube, 3 into x square. So half square, 3 into x, 3 into half plus 1. Cube means 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Then 1 square, 3 into 1, 3. And see, this 3 is not multiplied with the denominator. This 3 is always multiplied with the numerator. 3, then 2 square is 4. Then 3 ones are 3 by 2 plus 1. Now if you take LCM 8 4 2 1, you will get 8. then you will understand this one. This one you know already. The final result is what? 27 by 8. Means already I told you, you will get same remainder. All of you understood? See, now maybe you are thinking that during the exam, which method you will use? During the exam, you can see the question. If question is like that, find the remainder. Then you can use any method. If question is like that, find the remainder by using remainder theorem or by using long division method, then you have to use that method only. Or in this case, already I told you that if in the question you have to find out remainder in question, then you need to find out by using long division only. Because in remainder theorem, you will not get the question. Understood? Clear? Okay. So see your homeworks. Question number 3, x, 4, x plus 5 and 5 plus twice x. Okay. You are, now maybe you are thinking that which method you will do. You can use by any method, by remainder theorem also, or using what? Long division method. Okay, one especially I want to tell you that for question number 3, try to understand, only for question number 3 you have to do by using both the method, like what I have done. First of all, you have to use long division method, then remainder theorem, only for question number 3. And question number 4, 5, you can use any method. See, no need to put the value of pi, okay? By using pi only, you can, means 22 by 7 is no need to use, or 3.14 no need to use, only means with pi only try to find out the result. Understood? For question number 4 and 5, you can use any one of the method. Okay? In case any doubt, okay, you can ask me in the evening. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.